and try his strategy. Wow. And once again, please welcome our birthday girl for today. Pearl. Wala bang music? Happy birthday to you. Yung mas malakas! Yung mas malakas! Okay, syempre this time naman yung may kasamang palakpak. Happy birthday to you. Isa po! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Isa pa! Yung mas malakas. Yung pinakamalakas. Ayan, okay. So, syempre, so kids, sabay-sabay natin sabihin, Happy Birthday Pearl, yung pinakamalakas sa ready, 3, 2, 1! Yung mas malakas! Yung pinaka mahina! Sumitaw. Okay.
Are you ready, kids?
Okay, ito may nauna na.
I can hear you.
Nauna na si ate. Okay, ano po ang title? SpongeBob SquarePants is correct. Okay. Uy, ano yan? Ito si ate. Ate, halika ka rito. Sige, lalapit na ako po. Ate, what is the movie title?
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast is correct. Ate, try mo pag-lapit dito para makapili ka. Okay, anong title?
Frozen.
Frozen is correct. Okay, wait lang.
Ghostbusters.
Ghost Fighter is correct.
Pokemon.
Pokemon is correct. Okay, kuya, get your prize. Ayan.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, ngumunguya ka pa. Sige. O, picture ka, picture. Kay pinsan?
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Ano pa? Wala na. O, sige. Picture na lang kaya. Ayan, picture.
Pearl.
Yun lang? Okay, sige. Give to ate. Wow. At, Kaden, wait lang. Anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya? Sabihin mo, happy birthday. Ayaw. Takot ata sa pangit to eh. Forget pogi. Nakit. Sasabihin na sana niya, ha? Nakit. Ano ba?
Happy birthday.
Yo, galit ka?
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Ayan. Okay, give.
Happy birthday.
Ayan. Okay, sige. Picture na kayo. Ayan, may dala. Okay, what do you want to say?
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Ayan. Okay, so give the lollipop to Pearl. Pearl, ano gusto mo sabihin?
Happy birthday, Auntie Belle.
Ano pa?
It makes me. I love you.
Wow. Girl, ano gusto mo sabihin?
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Okay, picture na kayo. Look! Kinilig! Oh, isa pa. Ano gusto mo sabihin?
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Ano pa? Wala na? Oh, sige, picture.
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Okay, sige. Okay, ano gusto mo sabihin kay Pearl?
Thank you.
Anong thank you? Ba't ikaw ba may birthday? Sabi mo.
Happy birthday.
Okay, sige, picture. What to say to Pearl?
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Ano pa?
Wala na.
Wala na.
Happy birthday, Pearl. Lumaki ka sanang mabuti at may takot sa Diyos.
Ayan. Okay, sige sir, picture na lang po. Pearl.
Happy birthday, Pearl. I wish you a fantastic birthday. Love you.
Okay, wow, ganda naman. Okay, picture kayo. Sabihin kay Pearl.
Happy birthday lang.
Saan ang tagay? Hindi, sige, picture na kayo. Pearl.
Happy birthday.
Saan din ang tagay? Hindi, sige. Picture.
Hi, Pearl. My gift for you is cake because we want to make your birthday really special. Stay cool, sweet, and makulit. Happy birthday.
Wow.
Happy birthday ka. Huwag ka na makulit.
Happy birthday, Pearl.
Yun lang. O, sige. Ano gusto mo sabihin sila kay Bunso? Bunso mo ba siya? Okay, ano po gusto niya sabihin?
Happy birthday, sir. Sana mag-aral ka mabuti and that's all. Happy birthday.
Okay. Okay. Okay, tingin kayo sa camera. Tingin sa camera. Tingin sa camera. Ayan. Okay, picture muna kayo. Total may picture. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Sa bewang, sa bewang, sa bewang. Ah. Ayan, sige, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng moment. Ayan. Oo. Dito, hawak ka sa bewang. Sa bewang, yan. Okay. Okay, sway. Rose. Ay, gusto rin yata ng Rose. Partner to. Ayan. Bigyan muna natin sila ng moment, ang mag-daddy. And after the 7 traditionals, so we have a last game. No? So magkakaroon tayo ng last game. And after ng last game, ayan, so makikita natin yung bisita natin ngayon. Ayan, okay, thank you so much. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please welcome our special guest for today. None other than Kuromi Mason. Ayan. Okay, please, give way, let's give way. Bigyan natin ng daanan kay Kuromi. Ayan, para makadaan. Ayan. Okay. Sige. I think, total na dito na si Kuromi, no? So, partner, tulungan mo ang partner.